Nearly everyone in the career advice world, us included, hails LinkedIn as being one of the best tools out there because it allows you to network, look at job listings, and even passively job search. But are you using your LinkedIn profile to its full potential? We're going to be sharing 5 great tips that you can use to really optimize your profile to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward and really utilizing all the tools they have on there. And we want to know, what has your experience been like with LinkedIn? Tell us in the comments below. Hey Contessas, welcome back. I'm Lauren McGoodwin, founder and CEO of Career Contessa, the only career site built for women. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we drop videos weekly. Let's dive into our 5 best tips for hacking your LinkedIn profile. Tip number 1, create a vanity URL. Think about it this way. If you were creating your own online business, would your URL be a bunch of numbers and letters all jumbled together? Probably not. That wouldn't be very easy for people to find you. Well, the same goes for LinkedIn and that URL for people to find you. Whether you're actively job hunting or passively job hunting, the vanity URL is one of the first things we would recommend that you update on your LinkedIn profile. And remember, you want to make it something pretty simple. Maybe mimic your email address or even use your own name. For example, our content director, Kayleen Cajes, has a unique first and last name. Arguably, Kayleen is an easier phonetic spelling than Cajes, so she opted for a Kayleen K URL. If you have a common name, you might have to be a little more creative about making your URL unique. We'll put a link in the description that will walk you through the technical steps for changing your URL. Tip number 2, have a professional profile photo and a professional background photo. LinkedIn is the best place to show off your professional brand. And when you think about a brand, you think about the images associated with it. So this is a really great time to make sure that you've got a professional headshot as well as a great looking background photo. Think of this as like a really fun arts and crafts project. The bulk of your LinkedIn profile is going to be glue, very professional and informative. Your background photo is a chance to add a little glitter to your profile. When it comes to your profile photo or that headshot, always err on the side of something that's really great, professional, well lit, and really gives off that vibe that you are someone that they want to meet. We wrote a guide to getting a professional headshot to use for your LinkedIn profile photo. You can find a link for that in the description below. Tip number 3, make sure your summary is filled in and is great. Too often we come across profiles where the entire summary section isn't even filled out. And that's a really big missed opportunity to really share your story. Who are you? What do you do? What do you love to, work on, or what type of companies are you interested in? And trust me, this is an area that LinkedIn also really likes for you to have filled out. Focus on selling yourself, particularly the traits that make you unique. What are you passionate about? What do you want to do next and why? By focusing on writing a value-based summary, i.e. what you'd bring to a team or company, you'll attract more notice. You can also use this section to focus on what you want to be doing, downplaying any work you've done that you just don't want to do in the future or in those future jobs. Use your summary section to dazzle hiring managers, connect for networking opportunities, and just really attract the employers that you want to reach out to you. Tip number 4, create a LinkedIn profile badge. There are many secrets to LinkedIn, and we think this one's a pretty big one. Did you know that LinkedIn created a profile badge that you can use on your own personal website, blog, etc.? If you have a blog or personal portfolio, take advantage of the profile badge. It's already formatted, coded, and ready to share. They even come in several formats and sizes to best suit your needs. We put a link in the description that will walk you through how to create a LinkedIn badge for your website. Tip number 5, let recruiters know you're actively job searching. Recruiters and hiring managers are not clairvoyant, but they are always actively searching for great candidates, and they're probably 99% of the time using LinkedIn to do that. Under career interests, switch the toggle over to let recruiters know you're open to new paths. You can also be more specific and let recruiters know what you're looking for from there with these 4 options: actively applying, casually looking, not looking but open to offers, or not open to offers. You can also set the locations, how close to your current home you'd like your opportunities, whether you're open to working remotely, and how much work you're looking for, i.e. full-time, contract, part-time, internship, volunteer, or temporary. So those are 5 quick LinkedIn hacks to really help you optimize your profile. We actually based this video off of an article we wrote called 13 Sneaky Tips to Hack Your LinkedIn Profile Today. So if you want to browse through 8 additional tips, go to the link in the description. If you need some more guidance to optimize your LinkedIn profile, download our free Optimize Your LinkedIn Skills worksheet, which includes a list of the most common skills recruiters search for. That's linked in the description as well. And remember, we want to know, what has your experience been like with LinkedIn? What works, what doesn't work? Tell us in the comments below. Did you find this video helpful? Be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel because we drop videos weekly.